bin sehr froh, dass Sie alle gekommen sind. Welcome to Blue Prism Pulse.
You know, the robot is working alongside you. It's an integral part of your organization. It's part of what you're doing. So you don't want this to be run by some IT guys down the corridor. We always have been and always will be a business-led technology solution. So this means it needs to be ready to deploy, easy to control. It needs to be compliant out of the box. You need to have a 24/7 capability at your fingertips. You don't want to have to go through lots and lots of steps and different bureaucratic IT routes to be able to go and make changes.
RPA is just an emerging factor for efficiency in support functions, but also in the business. Digital workforce will be a topic all over the place pretty soon, and many companies are already starting to gain first-hand experience how this works out.
It's like a little bit like chasing unicorns. Everybody knows how it looks like, so the 100% automated SAP solution, but nobody has seen one. People think they have seen one, but if you keep asking those people where this unicorn is, they tend to forget. It's really hard to catch it. So where I want to go is, there is no 100% backend automation. It never has been there. Yeah? What we have in an imperfect world is some electronic interfaces and some backend processing, and lots of communication going on this level here. Person to person, unstructured data to structured data sources.
RPA is just like the beginning, like the top of the iceberg in order to apply robotics into companies. And then we are going to adapt these AI technologies to our companies, and this will be a really good potential in order to put forward our customers and our products.
It's important to have these meetings. It's a good way to exchange knowledge about RPA and also the future of RPA. And it's of course very nice to see all the peers here and to be able to discuss in a very light way what all these peers are doing. So it's a very good benchmark for us.
Success of RPA is where you start. And if you're not looking good at your processes and you're not deciding well what you're doing, try to get capabilities which have already a proven capability, which you can hook on, preferably to Blue Prism, because it has that ecosystem going on, and from that determine the value and then make that available for the entire bank. I think that's one of the key points to leverage AI.
Most of the information you don't really get over the internet. Nobody amongst the companies are going to share what they are really doing. This is the place wherein you understand in terms of like, okay, this is how you're set up, this is how I'm set up. So a place to learn for sure.